Ito ating shumai with rice. Ayan, ready to serve na po ang ating shumai with rice. Now available. Hello everyone. Meron na tayong available na shumai at saka shumai with rice. Steam shumai at saka shumai with rice. So ayan guys, ang ating setup ng ating shumai with rice. Ready to serve na po siya. Isang order, meron naman tayong customer. Ayan. Sa shumai with rice. So ayan. This is it guys, ang ating shumai with rice. So ito yung steam shumai natin guys. So all day po yan siya ang ating steam shumai guys. So bili na, punta na kayo rito sa Madrigal Village. Ito naman ang ating shumai sauce. Ayan. By the way guys, ito yung ating garlic. Ang ating chili garlic po. Ayan. So this is it guys, ang ating chili garlic.